kitty cat go? That's right. How does the dog go? Woof woof. Yeah. How's the pig go? Yeah. How does a car go? Vroom, vroom. You're so smart. How does a sheep go? That's right. What else is there? What?
Oh, really?
You hurt your butt? Yeah, did you hurt it? Where's your foot? Where's your feet?
Feet.
Very good. What about your nose? What? That's right. So smart. Where's your eyes? That's right. What about your mouth? Yeah. What about your ears? Very good. Very good job. Do you know where your knees are? Yes. That's Mommy's knee. That's right.
Ow.
Ouch. Oh, smack Mommy. Where's your hair at? Yeah. Mommy's hair.
Ow.
Mommy's hair.
Ow.
Out. What do you want me to do? Huh?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
What?
Go.
Oh, we forgot the duck.
Quack.
Quack.